Does anybody know what this is? What you're looking at in this general picture? It does have the appearance of the cabinet that all those steam controls go when they're putting in a shower with a steamer. How about you, Daily?
Is this a trap primer?
Yeah, this is the best trap primer device you can put on floor drains, trough drains, whatever, because it actually is a low voltage cabinet that has a little solenoid in it. Right in there, there's a solenoid in there. Here's your cold water feed coming down to it. Obviously, you can tell as you look down here, it's from multiple floor drains. So these are all trap primer lines going down to floor drains, also copper tubing, because it has to be copper tubing, especially when you're in a commercial building. But it has a solenoid that you set to go off at a certain time of day and to discharge a predetermined amount of gallons of water to dump through these trap primer lines. There are devices that are made by the same company, Precision Plumbing Products, that they work off a differential of pressure when people use fixtures. But the amount of water that gets discharged through that differential of pressure is really, really insignificant. When you have multiple floor drains, you want to be doing something like this. It's actually save you money in the long run. If I was to draw a floor drain really, really quick over here, here's a floor drain, and I'm going to do a trap primer line. Trap primer lines are going to come out of here. You actually want it to go into here, but you don't want it doing this. You don't want it doing this and going all over the place. You want to stay level, because you remember you're just discharging a little bit of water. It's not like it's a water distribution system. You're trying to get water to that trap seal in there. And you can't be doing up and down, because a lot of people on any project, that's what they do. They're going up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm like, do you really know? It's a dead ringer indicator that the person has no idea what they're doing and what the device is actually doing.